Big question, what is paper match, and how can we use it to create objects? In the lively town of Enugu, two best friends, Ifeoma and Kofi, were excited about their art class. Ifeoma, a girl from the Igbo tribe, loved making things with her hands, while Kofi, a boy from the Akan tribe, enjoyed experimenting with different materials. Their teacher, Mr. Ibrahim, had announced a new project, creating objects using paper match. Both friends were eager to learn how this fun and creative technique worked. Mr. Ibrahim gathered the students and explained. Paper match is a creative art technique where you use paper, glue, and water to create sculptures and objects. The name paper match comes from French, meaning chewed paper. It's a great way to make amazing things out of simple materials. Ifeoma's question about making something with paper match encourages strategic thinking, considering how to use the materials and process effectively. To make paper match, you need just a few basic materials. Newspaper or tissue paper works well, white glue or flour, and water paste to mix with the glue. For decorating your finished object, to shape your object, e.g., balloons, bowls, or any form, choosing appropriate materials and understanding their functions involves strategic thinking to achieve the desired outcome. Mr. Ibrahim demonstrated the paper match process to Ifeoma and Kofi. First, tear the paper into small strips. Then, mix the glue with water in a bowl to make a paste. Dip the paper strips into the paste and place them onto your mold. Repeat until your object is well covered. Ifeoma and Kofi tried it out. They used balloons as molds to make round shapes. They carefully applied the paper strips and paste to the balloons, making sure to cover them evenly. Ifeoma and Kofi's careful application of paper strips shows self-regulation and attention to detail. Once the paper match was dry, Ifeoma and Kofi popped the balloons and revealed their creations, colorful bowls and animal shapes. They painted their objects with bright colors and added decorative elements like beads and feathers. Ifeoma made a beautiful bowl with intricate patterns, while Kofi created a playful lion with a colorful mane. They were thrilled with how their paper match projects turned out. Ifeoma and Kofi's excitement about their creations reflects their emotional engagement with their work. They also empathize with the artistic value and satisfaction of creating something unique. 2. Explore paper match further. Ifeoma and Kofi engaged in interactive activities. They made masks and mini sculptures using various molds and decoration techniques. They experimented with different colors and designs to personalize their creations. Ifeoma created a mask inspired by traditional Igbo patterns, and Kofi made a small drum-shaped sculpture. They enjoyed the process of shaping and decorating their paper match objects. Collaborating and sharing ideas during interactive activities involves social skills and effective communication. Mr. Ibrahim gathered the students and said, paper match is a fantastic way to turn everyday materials into amazing art. Keep exploring and experimenting with different shapes and designs. Ifeoma and Kofi felt inspired and were excited to use paper match for more creative projects in the future. By the end of their paper match project, Ifeoma and Kofi understood how to use paper match to create and decorate objects. They learned that with just a few simple materials and a bit of creativity, they could make beautiful and unique items. Ifeoma and Kofi's enthusiasm for future projects shows motivation to continue exploring their creativity.